Now, as promised, in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you deep information about Web3 jobs and how you can get them and start making money for yourself. One thing I'm very sure of is that you won't be getting this anywhere else. So here is what we're going to be covering: what Web3 is, what Web3 jobs are, types of Web3 jobs you can do, and by the way, it is always advisable to focus on one. Your first step to becoming a person who makes money from Web3 industry, and finally, how much you can make or charge as a beginner. Let's get right into it, guys. Now, what is Web3? Web3 is basically the latest version of the internet, where users now have more control, ownership, and privacy. Now, you might ask, is anything really private on the internet? The answer is yes, and I'm going to tell you why. With Web3, it is. It is built on a decentralized technology like blockchain, cryptocurrencies, and smart contracts. Now, to make this clear enough, when the internet, like the World Wide Web, was ever launched, they began with Web 1.0, which is the first generation of the internet, and this was around the year 1990, and it lasted up until 2005. This particular internet was a read-only web, where you can only go to read articles and consume other content without being able to interact. And then there came Web 2.0, the second generation of the internet. This launched between 2004 and 2005, and still what we mostly use up until this moment. As a matter of fact, this video you're actually watching right now is on Web 2.0, where we have the comment section, the like button that you can interact with. And speaking of interaction, why not just smash the like button right now if you're enjoying this video so far, and you can also comment where you're watching from in the comment section. I would really appreciate the kind gesture. Thank you in advance, guys. Now that you understand what Web3 is and how it came about from Web 1 to Web 2 and now Web 3, I'm sure before now a lot of you get confused when you hear people say things like, I make so much money from Web 3. You'll be wondering, now Web 3, how do they make money from Web 3? What they simply mean is they make money from getting hired to do one or more tasks on the Web3 platform. And they are hired by a set of people called the developers, right? The Web3 developers. You might as well call them crypto devs. And then they obviously get paid for it after carrying out those tasks. Just as you have it on Web 2, like Fiverr, Upwork, and the likes of them, that is exactly the same way you have it on Web 3, only this time it is more advanced and I would even say more profitable. So whenever you see anyone say, I make money on Web 3, what they are simply saying is that they offer Web 3 jobs and get paid online. Simple. Now, there are several jobs you can offer on Web 3. Example of those skills you can master and become a pro at are influencing, being a community manager, being a moderator, being a reader, blockchain developers, NFT artists, UI UX designer, campaign managers, brand strategists, and Web 3 recruiters. So these are the list of jobs that you can offer on Web 3. All these professions, some of them require intense skill. It will take you so long to master those skills, which is why I've taken it upon myself to select the easiest and the most profitable ones that I can show to you guys to learn and start making money from quickly. These ones that I've handpicked, a lot of people make money from them and they don't require too much skills to be able to render services. So we're going to focus on them. Here are the three jobs we are going to focus on: moderator, community manager, and reader. Now, in the next video, we're going to elaborate and dive deeper into these jobs, right? Now, your first step to becoming a person who makes money from Web 3. The first thing you're going to do now is to build a portfolio. Now, you start by opening an X account, a Telegram account, and a Discord account. Now, the next thing is to have basic knowledge and learn about what the job you want to start offering is, so you can be able to pitch it to your prospective clients, which are also known as developers, right? And that is why I'm here for you guys. I'm going to show you how you can be able to constructively pitch to those developers to land jobs and make a lot of money from Web 3. All you just need to do is to smash that subscribe button for subsequent videos that I'm going to be dropping on this channel. Now, how much can you make from these jobs? To be realistic, from the jobs that we've selected, you can make as much as $300 to $400 per gig every single month. And the fun part is that you can have more than 1 gig at a time. So imagine having 5 gigs every single month for $300. That would be about $1,500 every single month. That's actually fair, and you'll be comfortable earning such amount of money every single month. Don't you think so? Now, this is a bonus tip. After you have created your account, you need to learn how to start writing articles on your X account in order to be able to build your audience. And I'm going to show you how you can go about that as well. So that's also going to be part of this series as we move forward, guys. So if you like this content you just got, kindly help me smash that like button and also subscribe to my channel to get more amazing content like the one you just saw. So guys, that will be the end of today's video. I'm going to see you in the next one, but until then, bye for now.